Track RC1 here, and this is how to use simple green and just tear down your kit and clean it. Now what you want to do is you're going to want to get a wrench, start unscrewing your servos and just pull them out. I've already done this, but just for a reference I kind of put them back into place. Pull out your receiver and your other servo. Take out all the electronics and also take out your engine. Okay, next what you want to do is just leave it there. Get your simple green, kind of stand back a little bit and just spray it down. Try to get everywhere. And also, before you do this, if you had any stuff like batteries or a battery charger, you might want to move those out of the way, because this stuff could just totally mess it up. It could actually eat through this. So just make sure you just keep it in your area. Now wait a few minutes and then you're going to come back with a cloth and just start wiping down some stuff. I'll see it just kind of comes off like that. Just kind of disintegrates everything. Wipe all your stuff down. Now there will be more parts to this video, like taking out your transmission and doing it. But for right now, just to get the gist of it, I'm getting the top plates up here in the front and up here in the back. So there will be a second video just taking the whole car apart and trying getting it. Okay, so after you got all that down in here, as much as you can with your rag, you want to take this buggy or truck or whatever and bring it over to an air compressor and just blow it off. So, oh, well that ain't good. Huh. Well, I guess I just made my tripod into a bipod. That was a tripod leg. Take it over to your air compressor. Lay your truck down. Try to get this thing to stand up over here. It's kind of hard with only two legs. I gotta stop to hold it. Okay. Now, come here with your car, air compressor, and just start blowing away all your stuff. Now get every little part you can like it is, but you are going to have to take your transmission out, your shocks off, your progressives, wheels, and get all that stuff. So that'll be the next video, but just in a gist, this is how to do this. So peace out.